severe thunderstorm warning for northern Bristol County in southeast Massachusetts, southern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, northern Plymouth County in southeast Massachusetts, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Foxborough and was moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include BROCKTON, EASTON, AVON, STOUGHTON, ROCKLAND, ABINGTON, WHITMAN, HOLBROOK, MANSFIELD, East BRIDGEWATER, SHARON, FOXBOROUGH, PEMBROKE, HANOVER, and HANSON. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds and large hail. Go inside to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. If driving, be prepared for low visibility and do not drive through flooded roads. This storm was also producing